I'm going to show you a quick video how to replace a headlight sockets that burn out.
You see this vibrated off and it fell down on the exhaust and it burned out this socket and the headlight don't work anymore. So here's the part number. Go to your local John Deere dealership, or you try Amazon, but they'll probably charge you a little bit more than that. So let's just take the bottom wire off and then the top. Put on the top here. I'm gonna stick a new bulb in there. There's two tabs here, and you see it's two tabs on the headlight. I'll stick them in there and turn it clockwise. Okay, put your key on. Yep, looks like a charm.
If you like this, here's a quick video. If you like this video, press thumbs up below. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.